Old asphalt roads are prepared for new paving with the help of a demolition tractor attachment. Salmon slicing is perfected with a machine featuring side-to-side moving blades. Large cable wires are split to recycle copper using a precise cutting mechanism. A specialized apparatus precisely crafts heat sinks by thinly slicing metal. Creating cinder blocks becomes a breeze with this rapid production system. The waste tire recycling process breaks down old tires into reusable materials. Tree stump removal becomes effortless with a robust grinding apparatus. Rice harvesting is automated with a machine that cuts, collects, and ties the crop. Wooden spoons gain their concave shape from a specialized carving attachment. Double-spouted chutes expedite the pouring of wet cement into wheelbarrows. Coconut dehusking is made simple with a peeling machine. Watch as a mattress is compacted and air extracted for easy shipping in smaller boxes. Excess material from wrench manufacturing is rapidly removed, showcasing industrial efficiency. Tree removal is simplified with a rotating chainsaw digger that works around the base. An inventive process uses a latex blob to imprint designs inside bowls for decorative china sets. Palm trees are efficiently sliced by an excavator equipped with a precise cutting attachment. Dough twisting for intricate designs is performed by a patient and precise machine. Specialized vacuums facilitate efficient dandelion harvesting. Worm harvesting from soil is automated using a rotating cylinder machine. A unique snow removal system featuring a car conveyor belt and 2 arms clears streets effortlessly. A sophisticated cutter transforms a whole chicken into cubes with a large rectangular blade. Cement blocks are effortlessly cut by a specialized jigsaw blade. Woodworking techniques produce smooth, spherical wooden balls from square blocks. Log processing includes bark removal using a factory machine equipped with multiple blades. An entire building is swiftly demolished by the impact of a wrecking ball. Brick pavements are removed with ease by a machine similar to scooping ice cream. A giant compactor efficiently transforms empty cans into recyclables. Wide streets with newly poured cement are efficiently smoothed by a large pavement finishing machine. Bean paste-filled dough is pressed into elaborate designs for mung cakes. Discover the innovative machinery behind fence manufacturing. The grip texture on ratchet handles is intricately imprinted by a precision tool. A swip tying apparatus secures objects for shipping in mere seconds. The automatic crate maker mesmerizes with its quick and efficient process. The process of propane tank manufacturing in factories is detailed. A device effortlessly peels hard-boiled eggs, readying them for consumption. Tube openings are sealed and smoothed by induction heating, ensuring durability. Car compaction in junkyards is achieved with a heavy metal attachment that repeatedly falls on the vehicles.